Now I will show you multiplication by a 3-digit number. How to multiply the digits 4-digit, 3-digit by 3-digit number. With 3-digit number we have to multiply. Already I had shown with the 2-digit number how to multiply. Here always start from right side. 3025 multiplied by 134. So which number comes in ones place? 4. Always starts from right side, ones place, and also from down one number you have to multiply to the upper number. So here 3025 multiplied by 4 first. 4 first, okay? So 4 fives are 20. So 2 carry and down only you write, okay? Then only it will be easy for addition. Then with the 4 only you have to multiply full numbers. Then 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 carry, then here will come 0. Okay. Then 4 zeros are already I told with a 0 multiplying any number multiplying with a 0 you are getting 0 only. So 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Then 4 threes are 12. Now ones place, next you are multiplying with the 3. 3 is in which place? Tens place. So tens place, then ones place you have to put 0. Always you have to put 0. And this carry you cut it. That carry 1 over. Now next carry will come. Now with the 3 you multiply these numbers. 3 fives are, what is 3 fives are? 15. 15. Then 1 carry 5. Down only right, okay? In line only it comes. Then 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 zeros are 0. So it will come here 0. Then 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Now we have to these two numbers over. Now 1. 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. Hundreds place. So tens, ones place you have to put 0. Ones place 0. Tens place also 0. Then you multiply with the hundreds place. This cut it. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 1 0 is 0. 1 3s are 3. Now you are getting here 1 2 3. 3 digits are there. So you are getting 3 layers, 3 rows, 3 steps. So these 3 rows you have to add. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. Then 5 plus 7 plus 1. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13, then 1 carry 3. We can't write 2 digit here. So 1 will be carry. Then 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now 0 plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 carry 0. Then 1 carry means above 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So you are getting this answer. Now we are multiplying 264 multiplied by 146. First multiply with the 6. Ones place is 6. So first row 6. Then second row 4. Then third row multiply with the 1. 6 4s are 24. Then 2 carry 4. Only one digit you write down. Then 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 2. 36 plus 2, 38. So 3 carry here 8. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Here no other number. So you can write 15 here. Full 15 here you can write. Okay. Now these carries cut. Now you are multiplying with the tens place. 4 is in tens place. So ones place you put 0. Then 4 4s are 16. So 1 carry. Then here will come 6. Then 4 6s are 24. 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1, 25. So 2 carry 5. Then 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Here no other number. So you write 10 full here. Okay. Now cut these carries. Now third one carry is there, then above that number will come. Now you are multiplying with the 1. 1 is in hundreds place. So tens place and ones place you have to put 2 zeros. These two numbers, 2 zeros you have to put here. Now 1 4 is 4. 1 6 is 6. 1 2 is 2. Now you got 3 layer. Now you add 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 6 plus 8, 14. Then 1 carry 4. 1 carry 4. 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. What will come? 15. So 1 carry 5. 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. So you are getting 38,504. Now multiply with this number. So 2 5s are 10. So 1 carry 0. 2 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 7s are 14. Here no number, so no carry. You write full here. Now multiply with the 1. First you have to add 1 0. 1 5 is 5. 1 0 is 0. 1 7 is 7. Now you are multiplying with the hundreds place. So add 2 zeros here. Ones place and 2 here. So here 2 numbers are there. That 2 numbers you put 0. 2 5s are 10. So 1 carry here 0. 2 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 7s are 14. There is no other number. So you write full here. Now add 0. 0 plus 5 plus 1, 6. 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 1 plus 7 plus 1, 9. Then here 4, 1. Okay. Now how to multiply with the zeros I am showing. Okay. Here 7 zeros. 7 0 is 0. 7 5s are 35. So 3 carry 5. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So 1 carry 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Now tens place you are multiplying. So ones place will be 0. If you are multiplying with the tens place, all the numbers will be 0. So here full will come 0. Okay. 0 0 ja 0. 0 5 ja 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 1 is 0. Instead of that, first number you multiply. All zeros are there. So tens place 0. Then tens place here also put 0. Now multiply with the 4. Hundreds place. 4 0 is 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 0. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry 0. 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5. Now add these two. Because second digit was 0. Tens place was 0. So here only 2 place will come. Okay. 0, 5, 7, 8, 0, 5. We are getting 5,08,750. Now another one you see. Here ones place is 0. So all digits will be 0. 0, 0, 0 ja 0. 0 1 is 0. 0 2 is 0. Then tens place 7 4. Ones place 0 you put. Then 7 4 ja 28. 2 8. Instead of that, ones place 0. Then you put ones place 0. Then start from tens place. 7 4 ja 28. 8 2. 7 0 is 0 plus 2. 2. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. So tens place and ones place over. Now hundreds place. So you add 2 zeros. Okay. Now 2 4 are 8. 2 0 is 0. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 14. Add 0, 8, 10, 8, 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 1 5. So you are getting 5,68,080. Like this you multiply. With the 0 1 you do more sums, then it will be easy for you. Thank you.